Potato is sleeping on my ear. I must love this dog. I really wish you guys can see this. Okay, I know you can hear it. He's on my head. His mouth is literally on my ear. I have to film this.
What?
Honey, I have to film this.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, he's deaf. I am filming Potato sleeping on my ear. It's so many noises in this bedroom. Oh my god. Is there a night light? Like, how do I do this so that there's light? Okay. Close your eyes for a second. I've got to film this. That's what's going on at 2 o'clock in the morning. Potato. I know you love me, but really? Oh my gosh. When people say, can you sleep at night just because he snores? Uh-huh. Nah. Oh my god. I do love you. Oh, Potato. Okay. I'm gonna shut the light off again. Oh god.
Okay, good night.
It's somebody's cranky. What? It's all Potato's fault. Potato. Look at him. Don't bug us, Dad. Are you sleep talking, Potato? Oh no, going back on my ear. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Night night.
Can you get the light, babe?
Sure.
Thanks, love.
Night everybody.